He like his mask upside down. Leave him alone. When we gonna leave, y'all?
In 2 years.
Hmm? 2 years. KK, when we gonna leave?
I don't know. You're the one driving the car.
So you want me to just go?
Yeah, sure.
Well.
When Mom gets here.
When is that gonna happen?
I don't know. She'll get here.
Yeah, right.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
What's on the Bible? What does it say? SpongeBob SquarePants!
No one is going for us, is he?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
It's not going on. Just be something you wish.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Drop on the deck and flop like a fish.
SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants!
Yeah, don't put your head outside the window, okay? You hear me, Megan? Y'all hear me?
Yes.
Thank you.
Why would we do that?
Cause y'all kids and y'all do crazy stuff.
Not that dumb.
Well, you heard what I said.
Not that dumb.
Baby suits are sold out.
Wait, let's go back to the middle of summer past Michael.
A top for what? I'm coming to you live. Live in Jacksonville Beach. We beautiful day out here. See what's going on with my people today. Share to my group. Hold on. There we go. Here we go. We still practicing the social distancing. I got my boys here. What's up, boys? You gonna say hi to everybody? How's it going, Mike? Gonna say hi to everybody? Hi. What you want? What you ready to do, Michael? Ready to go to the beach? What you waiting on? Waiting on mommy? Okay, what you waiting on? Same thing as Michael? Okay, let me show you how pretty it is out here, y'all. Look at this, y'all. It's beautiful. I don't understand why every time we go to the same beaches and stuff, the girls have to get a new bathing suit each time. I just can't make it make sense, y'all. Social distance, go ahead. You know, you think the 4,500 bathing suits they got was enough, but for some reason, them 4,500 bathing suits just ain't enough. Beach, y'all. Ain't it pretty out here? Woo! Find a spot away from everybody, and we're gonna go hang out. But still don't make sense, y'all. You would think everybody, girls will have enough bathing suits after the first 1,500 times they went to the beach. But for some reason, the 1,501st time, they got your ass gonna catch it, boy, when you get married. Telling you now, when you get them kids, boy, them girls gotta have some new shit every time they go. And it don't make sense. Kenneth, get ready. I know y'all get married soon. Y'all come visit, man. Please come visit. I love to meet y'all, man. Give y'all all the tips on how to stay married. And most of them gonna be for you to let her run it. Like I tell you, man, these girls gonna shop. They gonna do what they wanna do. And you just gotta go along with it. Ain't that right, Dr. Holland? You already know, Dr. Holland. You just gotta find more money. They got 4,500 bathing suits. And they get here and they ain't got no bathing suit. Now tell me that ain't a setup. I'm trying to tell you, it's a setup. Spend that money. They need a bathing suit. They need a bathing suit. Look how pretty it is out in Jacksonville, man. This is beautiful out here. Get them ready. Here, Mike, get this chair. We're gonna social distance, get it together. Men just gotta be men, you know, just gotta take care of the business.
Oh, I think
that'll work.
It's going to be 4705 at the window.
All right, thank you much. I got the door open, it's so hot.
what the?
Look, brother, Louis Vuitton, Tiffany.